This is the CMC Markets Connect Volatility Report. Word from the ECB that interest rates were likely to stay higher for longer helped bolster support for banks from across the continent during Monday's session. This paves the way for higher margins on lending activity and was sufficient to allow CMC's proprietary basket of EU banking stocks to reverse the losses picked up at the end of last week. One-day vol sat at 27.6% against a one-month reading of 24.82%. Whilst there's plenty of talk of supply shortages propping up silver prices in the near term, the precious metal tumbled during Monday's session, briefly hitting lows not seen since mid-December. Many, however, see the precious metal as a better performer in times of high inflation, something that was perhaps reinforced by the subsequent rebound. One-day vol on silver US dollar printed 35.36% against 29.98% for the month. Fiat currency markets were relatively subdued, with slightly higher than usual levels of price action being seen on sterling Aussie dollar. The cross has now given back all of the gains it accrued at the end of last week off the back of that softer than expected Australian labour market news. One-day vol printed 10.15%, slightly ahead of the 10% one-month print, but still making it the most active currency trade. And cryptos are once again in focus. Bitcoin is threatening a test of the August 2022 highs, with risk appetite growing as confidence builds that the Fed is nearing the end of its policy tightening cycle. One-day vol on Bitcoin USD printed 47.8% against 33.16% for the month.